Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Well, you hit that like, you hit that subscribe, you hit that bell notification, and we go live. And we're going to the moon, we're going soon. Quite frankly, having a lot of trouble, ladies and gentlemen. And we need to talk about what's going on with the Bitcoin price. And we were just checking. We are working. We are live. Excellent. Okay. So without further ado, we're going to go into some Bitcoin news, some things that are kind of showing what we're seeing in the charts, the fundamentals, the logics, everything that goes with this. We went over this already. Canadian authorities freeze dozens of accounts as crackdown on freedom convoy continues. Now, understand that's a big deal. This is one of the other problems. We are getting smacked around left, right, sideways, up and down. OpenSea hacked 2 million theft NFT Bored Ape Yacht Club. Very big problem. There was a hacker involved. It is now considered, there was a tweet within the last 2 hours. There was no malicious activity or any other issues showing that they're continuing. So perhaps it's finally done. 2 million, almost $1.7 million was stolen in NFTs. Perhaps this is just another reason giving more fuel, right, to anyone who is turned off by this blockchain trend. So I understand a lot of people, they want to get rid of the NFTs. There's nothing but issues coming with this, but yes, OpenSea was hacked. They were hacked 1.7, and it hurts. A lot of people are getting hurt. Bitcoin news, haven't had too much good news lately, right? China bans it. That was the beginning of all this, and it's almost like they're starting to show the reasons why it's where it is right now. So had an argument with a follower of mine. Unfortunately, went to school with him.
Well, first of all, thanks for having me on, Tucker. But yes, they can only seize your digital currency, your Bitcoin, if you're holding it on an exchange like you.
Right.
Did you hear that? Do we just play this show just for you to just sit here and watch me look pretty? Because that's false. We don't look pretty. Let me repeat what he just said, because I had an argument with somebody specifically on this comment. I did a video last night. He obviously doesn't do his own research. One person tweeted, it's decentralized. They can't freeze it. And then he thinks because the big word decentralized, it means that they're all safe. You're not safe. Okay, listen again.
Well, first of all, thanks for having me on, Tucker. But yes, they can only seize your digital currency, your Bitcoin, if you're holding it on an exchange like you.
Right.
One more time. They can only seize your account in crypto if you hold it on only an exchange. So basically, if you don't get the hardware crypto wallet, you are in trouble. Let's listen to the rest of this, as we may have missed this last night. You could watch this video if
like you mentioned. It's much harder for them to seize it if you're in control of your Bitcoin by holding your own private keys, which is the beauty and the importance of Bitcoin as a monetary revolution. It allows you to actually control your money. It is a digital bearer instrument. It is digital cash. So as long as people are taking control of their own private keys, it's significantly harder to stop the spread of Bitcoin and prevent people from sending trades.
Exactly. So if you know how the phrase, the seed works, the 12 seed phrase works, you'll understand the government would have to come into your house, and then they would have to find where your password is, dry storage, hid in your head, or perhaps in a safe box, a lockbox somewhere safe where you have the password. No one else can get your assets that way. So I don't understand. If someone says jump off a bridge, you're going to jump off the bridge. I really hope not. I had a gentleman I went to school with. He thinks he knows everything about crypto. He knows nothing. And he's arguing with me, telling me to take the L because Pampa said that it's decentralized. He wasn't specific enough. You need to have your own hardware wallet. You need to have a 12-seed password phrase. Now, if you pay attention, we did this 2 days ago. 38,000 was the title of this video. Wallets to 38K BTC, I said this morning. Pay attention definitely to mention there are some issues going on right now. MicroStrategy CEO personally owns 240 million Bitcoin. This is old news from 2020 in October. And I want you to understand that that was in October 2020, a while ago. And you can only imagine the prices he got. I believe it was like 11,000 Bitcoin. Well, a lot of you forget, and 32,000 seems to be a support level back from July 21. So if you pay attention to this time frame, Wall Street Pete is telling you there is a double bottom M pattern coming. Pay attention, definitely to mention through here. If 38,000 on this ascending channel does not seem to hold, well, then this is an ascending triangle pattern that could form. It's not there yet. could be an ascending channel at this current time frame. If you pay attention, we're breaking down on it. But I do believe if we do finish, and this is the Daily on TradingView, if you're interested, hit the like and subscribe if this helped you a little bit. Bitcoin is having problems at the 38,000. If we can build and maintain some type of support right under the 36.9 here, it's showing at a really hard pace. You'll see there is a lot of struggle in this area, and it's only a short time frame. There's so much FUD. There's so much bad news in the crypto. Blood is in the streets. We could see potential 32,000. That would be Wall Street Pete's dead bottom. I do not believe we break under 30. There is no reason. Michael Saylor, as I just showed, he has shown time and time again, if you buy the dips, if you stay steady, the prices will come to you. You can regain and buy. As you see, July 21, 21, there was a 29,000 Bitcoin price. And if you see, we've been there once before. And that was January of last year. So understand what's going on. Understand there's some bottoms. It could be coming. It could not. There could be a 32, and this could be a new higher low. So pay attention to that. Even though it's a daily, it looks ridiculous after a year. Wall Street Pete is here for you. Emerald Green, what is going on? Good morning on the scene. Just trying to let you know that this could get a double bottom M fake out now. If this decides to do this, and that's if, right? We don't know. We know that the total crypto market cap is it's not 1.97, I'll tell you that right now. So that is absolutely false. And if it is, then we'd be back to the crypto wolves will be back. I'm stuttering here because imagine this was true. We were just at 1.75 trillion market cap. So pay attention to the manipulation in this market, how people just buy and sell, and how, I mean, let's look at that. Let's be real. $0.2 trillion did not just enter the market. If it did, that would be something to pay attention to. Understand that this is what I expect to happen. Good morning, Nicholas. Check this out. I do believe, and if you did watch, once again, I want to repeat it, but I don't. It's a video. You can watch the video itself. There was supposed to be a shoulder coming through here. Doesn't look like it. We got a double bottom end pattern. If you pay attention, sideways action and support at the 38,000 would ultimately rejuvenate us and bring us back for a chance for this. Not saying this is coming. This is absolutely almost off the table at this point in time. There is so much bad news in the Bitcoin world here that there is no way this is going to thrive. A lot of people are asking me questions like, well, how do I protect myself? You need to get a hardware wallet, all right? You need to get the hardware wallet, have a 12-phrase password that you can remember. You write down, put in a safe box, get a ledger, do what you need to do to protect yourself from any assets getting frozen. This is the reason why we went decentralized. This is the reason why Bitcoin was created. So pay attention. If we do break the 38,000, I am strongly considering 32,000 to be the bottom of the Bitcoin price. Get over it. It is what it is. There will be a time frame where we come back and we kick ass. Remember, Bitcoin at one point in time was not even $1 a penny. It was a fraction of a penny. So if you can really keep that in mind and understand, this thing is here to stay. It's come a long way, and you can play. All you have to do is buy the dip. That's all I have to tell you what to do. That's it. It's not that hard, right? All of us have money. All of us have habits. We all have bad habits. We all have good habits. Knock down some of the bad habits. Put some of the money that you're wasting and just start slowly buying the dip. Even if it's $20 to $100, so what? When you see what'll happen over a time frame, as Bitcoin has shown us, right, over the months of time. And if you pay attention, definitely to mention, and we just always seem to forget because we are human, and I understand all of this. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the monthly Bitcoin chart. It looks ridiculous, but guess what? You could have bought Bitcoin on this specific chart, and we know it went way lower than this. This is just the specific Binance US since it was on there. When it got on there, it was about 7,000, trading 8,000. You have to understand, this is still significantly higher over that time frame from 2 and change years ago. So Wall Street Pete's SICKDOE and crypto. Understand there are going to be coins in this right side bottom that absolutely decimate your money. You have to find the ones that are going to be here. They're going to be the blue chips, right? The blue chip collared assets. Well, we're talking about them. Harmony token, that's one of them. I mean, there's not a lot. Chainlink, I believe, is one of them. Let's see what else we have. Cardano, 100% one of them. Bitcoinami is going to be something special. Not many people understand what it is. Elron, I do believe, is going to be a fantastic project. Mana Decentraland, another one. Matic Polygon. I mean, so some of these sand engine, they're not going nowhere. Do understand what's happening. Do understand some of these tokens are still holding their value. You got Hero at 0.67. This market is decimating people. They are trading and selling for a loss. If you're just here just for an investment and just putting money in slowly and buying the dip, you will find a way to have your prices on the entry that you bought lower and lower if you can keep slowly dollar cost averaging in. Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE and Crypto, have a wonderful weekend. I just wanted to bring this message out to you. I thought it was very, very important. Remember, MicroStrategies, they've bought Bitcoin. They bought Bitcoin time and time again at the 29,000, 30,000 level. If we hit that area again, you best believe MicroStrategies, Michael Saylor, that owns right now the most Bitcoin to date, will keep buying. And they will buy it at a discount and they will sell it at a premium. And if you don't understand how important this is to not trade on emotion and how important it is to do your own research, as none of this is financial advice, you need to understand emotions will kick you to the rear. If you're asking if this is the bear market, I mean, it doesn't get any more bearish than this. Bitcoin was trading at, 65, then 69,000 in November. So if you can get the gist of a $69,000 Bitcoin price, and Dustin and everyone else who's listening, pay attention. We're going to 38 and perhaps 32,000. I don't know if that's coming. But I'll tell you right now, I'm expecting when we go up, it's going to be so parabolic that you're not going to be ready for this, just like you weren't ready for it to be going down the way it is. Bitcoin is extremely volatile. It will take you and leave you by the wayside, man. You need to be educated. You need to understand. Stop listening to tweets. If someone says I'm jumping off the Brooklyn Bridge, are you going to jump too? As my buddy Paulie from school tried to tell me and school me about crypto and explain to me that he didn't realize, go get Coinbase. Don't protect your keys and let them protect your keys. You think the government, they're going to say, oh, no. Wall Street Pete is on my Coinbase platform. I'm not going to give you my key. I'm not going to give you his keys to the government. Oh, no. Yeah, okay. Let's see how that works out, ladies and gentlemen. When the government is asking them that they hold your keys, that's why you need to hold your own keys and have a hard wallet. You didn't understand that, but yet because Pampa, you read a quick, crypto is decentralized, you're protected. He didn't specify that you needed a hard wallet to be protected from the government from freezing your assets. You need to do your own research and learn. A lot of people don't even know what crypto is still. They just think it's magical money. Wall Street, Pete, SICKDOE, and Crypto, have a great day. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Please be careful. You will lose your shirt out there. Dollar cost average into this market and dollar cost average out. I appreciate everyone's support. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on a ride, and one day we're going to the moon, and I hope it's soon.